Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the headphones ready. Charge them, confirm firmware is recent, and put them on for a secure seal. Once done, power on and immediately pair via Bluetooth. Choose the headset name shown in your device list. Make sure to install the companion app now because it unlocks active noise canceling controls. You'll also set basic preferences, language, touch controls, and default ANC mode, so you can proceed to deeper tuning without interruptions. Now you refine how noise canceling actually works. In the app, choose a mode: maximum for planes, balanced for trains, adaptive for variable environments. You'll adjust the equalizer to compensate for ANC's bass emphasis and toggle ambient pass-through when you need traffic or announcements. Make sure to pick the highest supported codec for best fidelity and check multi-device settings if you switch frequently. Once comfortable, run a short listening test and you finish by performing a full verification. Play different content, walk between quiet and noisy areas, and tweak ANC level and EQ for comfort. Make sure to charge and store the headphones in their case to preserve battery and seals, and enable automatic firmware updates if available. If you encounter problems, weak ANC, dropouts, or uneven sound, reset the headset, clear Bluetooth pairing, and repair. That resolves most issues. If the problem persists, contact support with model and firmware details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.